Hello friends, welcome to Ultrapixels. This is the 32-inch Panasonic LED TV. Here the TV goes to protection mode. Here the complaint is red light blinking issue. While observing, we found that the red light flashes 9 times. So the 9 times blinking is mainly due to audio related issues in the TV. So here we already solved the issue by replacing the speaker. Here the 9 times blinking is due to speaker related issues. So here we already replaced the speakers. Since the original speaker is not available, here we using an alternate speaker. See, the alternate speaker is fixed. The reason for 9 times blinking in this TV is due to shorting in the old speaker. So here we replaced with the alternate speaker. Now all sockets are connected. 9 times blinking is mainly due to audio related issues. So by changing the speaker, here we solved the 9 times blinking problem. Now let's put all screws back to TV. Now the TV is turned on. Here you can see the green LED indicator. There is no red light blinking issue. Now the complaint is solved successfully. So the TV is repaired. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.